Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to teach you something very, very important. Okay, so I'll be teaching you a strategy that will give you zero stress. And when I say zero stress, I mean it. It's going to give you zero stress in terms of finding entry into the market in order to make money. Okay, so if that sounds interesting, you have to stick to the end of this video because I'm not just going to give you the strategy, I also give you the complete trading plan. Okay, so let's get right into it. And this is also beginner friendly. So if you're a beginner, this is going to be something very, very nice for you because zero stress. You won't really bother yourself much in terms of analyzing because it's quite simple. Okay, so the very first thing you need to change the way your trading view looks. Definitely you can use this on different kind of pairs. So the very first thing you want to do, you want to change the way your trading view chart looks. So we are going to be changing from candles to Aikinashi. So all you just need to do is you have to come up here. Okay, you go up there and click that in order to change from candles to Aikinashi. So you just scroll down, you're going to see the Aikinashi. Where is it? Okay, volume, candle, line and markets, HLC, volume, session, Aikinashi right here. Hope you can see it. Look at that. So that's the Aikinashi. That's the very first thing you want to do. You want to change to Aikinashi. So good. So I now have the Aikinashi candles. You can see the way it is. Aikinashi candle kind of help you in a directional manner. So it shows you the direction better than your normal Japanese candlesticks. Okay. So that's the reason why we want to first change our charts from candles to Aikinashi. Okay, so once you're done with that, you're going to be using two indicators, very powerful indicators, in order to make this strategy work. Okay, so the indicators will help you with the trading plan, so you don't have to bother yourself much in terms of analyzing the market. I'll give you the rules. You're going to see how this is going to pan out. All right, so the very first indicator you want to add to this is just come over to your indicator button right here. Okay, can you see that? So you click on that, then you type chandelier exit, chandelier exits. So CHANDELIER, then exits, EXIT. Okay, I have to spell it out in case I'm not pronouncing it the way you know it. So I know it as chandelier exits. Okay, so you can see so many indicators popped up. The one you're going to choose is the one by Evergate. Okay, the one by Evergate, the first one, that's the one you have to choose. So let me click on that. Good, it's added to my chart. Good. So this is the chandelier exit. Okay, it gives you your buy signals and your sell signals, but we are not going to use this chandelier exit the way it is in its default setting. I'm going to show you some changes you have to make it more effective. Some people use it in the default setting like this, so they don't really get the kind of results they are supposed to get. Okay, so I'm going to give you the tweak, okay, to make it more powerful. So all you just need to do is come to the indicator right here. Where is it? CE. Can you see that CE stands for chandelier exit? You go and click on it, so it can give you an option that you can use to make your changes. So you simply click on these three dots right here, because that's where you're going to see the settings. Click on it. Okay, you scroll down to the bottom. At the bottom, you're going to see settings. Look at the settings right here. I'm doing this step by step so that you can follow me and also do it on your own. So you click on the settings. Now that you are at the settings level, this ATR period, turn it to 1. ATR period right here, turn it to 1. You don't need all this 22. Cancel it and turn it to 1. Okay, and then next is going to be ATR multiples. ATR multiplier. Can you see it? So right here you change it to 2. Cancel what is there before. Change it to 2. So very easy. You need 1, 2 like that. ATR period should be 1. ATR multiplier 2. Once you're done, you're good to go with that. Don't change any other thing. The next thing you need to change is to come to your style. Look at this style right here. Okay, what you just did now is input. So the style, you click on it to toggle it to the style. Now that you're on the style, uncheck everything here. Okay, uncheck everything except the buy label and the sell label. So I'm going to be unchecking everything here. Okay, uncheck the boxes. Just leave the buy label. You can see I skipped the buy label. I did not touch the buy label, but I'm removing every other thing except from the buy label and the sell label. I just keep the sell label also. Uncheck every other thing right here. Okay, so you can see I only have the buy label and the sell label right here. So the next thing you want to do is right in front of your buy label, this place you see absolute, you have to click on it and change it to bottom of bar. Okay, sorry, below bar right here. You can see below bar. So you want the signal to be below the bar so that you'll be able to enter at the right time, not absolute. So you click on below bar, then you come to your sell label. You know, this absolute here, you also change it. It's gonna be like above the bar or something like that here. So you see that above bar. So you want your signal for selling to be just above the bar so that you can enter at the right time. You can see that the default setting is not that great. You have to make these tweaks. Alright, if you don't know that these tweaks exist, you just be using the default setting and it might not give you something very, very accurate. Okay, so once you're done with all of this, you want to come over here and click on OK. Alright, so if you're getting any value with all these teachings I'm doing, please subscribe to the channel. You know, that's the only way you encourage me to keep giving you these kind of secrets. So you have all of this set for you. Okay, the next thing, the next what's it called, the next indicator you'll be adding, I told you you have to add 2 indicators. We are done with the first one and the settings. The next one you're going to now is moving average, but not just any type of moving average. Most people just add any type of moving average. The moving average, you already know some moving averages lag. Most moving averages lag. So we want something that does not really lag much. Okay, and that particular moving average is called zero lag simple moving average. Come to the indicators again as before. This time around you type ZL, okay, or ZL depending on how you pronounce your Z. Okay, so ZL SMA, you can see it right here. Even before I completed the typing, you can see the ZL SMA. The ZL simply means zero lag simple moving average. So this one by very feed is the one you should click on. Okay, that's the one you should click on. Oh, I'm sorry, I shouldn't have clicked the very feed. I clicked on the very feed, so it wanted to give me what that is about. Just click on this part in order to add it. Okay, so the mistake I made, I clicked on this, which would be telling me about very feed. I don't want to know about that. I just want to add the ZL SME. Okay, so you click on the ZL SME. It's already added to my chart. So let me go back. Okay, so I have it here, and you can see it right here. You can see it right here, ZL SME. You have to go and click on it. You have just a few tweaks to do when it comes to the ZL SME. Okay, let me scroll to the settings at the bottom. Now, at the settings at the bottom, now I need to change this from yellow. I don't want it to be yellow. When you come here, it's going to take you to input first. Okay, it's going to take you to input first. So when it brings you to input, change this length to 50. That's the only changes. That's the only change you'll be making for the input side. Change that length to 50. Right now it's on a 32. I want it to be 50, 50. Okay, so I'm done with that. Then you come to your style. The only thing you change when it comes to this style is the color. I don't want it to be yellow. I prefer it when it's black, because my chart is, you know, my chart has a white background, so I prefer the color to be black. So I've changed it to black. If your chart has a black background, then change it to white. The idea is just you want it to be very obvious. That's what it's the color is all about. So when you're done, as before, you do what? You click on OK in order to effect your changes. Okay, so you have this. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. So let me give you the rules straight up. Take this. The very first thing for a buy signal two things must happen for you to enter a buy trade. The very first thing you want to see is you want to see your buy signal. Your buy signal must show. Once you see your buy signal, the confirmation for you to enter that trade is price currently above your ZL SMA or zero lag SMA. Once those two are confirmed, just enter. You are good to go. Just enter your trade. You are what? Good to go. You are going to love this strategy. You are good to go. The strategy is better. I don't see any other indicator kind of strategy that is better than this one. You are good to go. And you can see what happened here. Look at this. I'm trying to click on this. I don't know what's okay. You have your buy signal right there. Okay. Is price currently above the zero lag SMA? Yes. You just enter on the next candle once it's closing. Once that candle that gave you the buy signal closes, enter the buy trade. And what did you see happening? Price moved in the upward direction. Like I told you, I was going to give you a complete trading plan. Place your stop loss below the candle that gave you the signal. That's where your stop loss will be, below that candle that gave you that signal. Okay, then where are you going to take profits? There is no take profit. You are going to catch as big a move as possible. So, but there is an exit. There's an exit plan. So it's a complete trading plan, as I promised. The exit plan is once a candle closes below the ZL SMA, exit your position, because it implies that what's it called? Trend is about to change. Okay, so you would have caught the trade. You would have caught the trade from this level. Okay, from this particular level, you would have caught the trade from this level up to this level. Imagine the pips that you would have caught in between. That's how powerful this particular strategy is. You would have caught that trade and you would have exited right here. Why? Because a candle closed below your ZL SMA. So this is a very, very powerful strategy. Okay, so what about a sell signal? How will you enter a sell trade? The reverse is simply the case. You need to see two things. The first thing is you need to see the sell signal showing up like this. Got it. You need to see the sell signal showing up like this one right here. So that bar that gave you the sell signal, once it closes, please enter a sell trade, making sure that definitely the position of price is below the ZL SMA. So two things: buy signal, sell signal has to be there. If you're looking to sell, then ask yourself the question: is price currently below ZL SMA? If yes is the answer, please, once that candle that gave you the signal closes, enter a sell trade. Where will you place your stop loss? Stop loss is going to be a few pips above the candle that gave you your sell signal. Okay, where will you place your take profits? Like I said, no take profits. We are here to catch as much pips as we can catch. So you simply follow it until a particular candle closes above your ZL SMA, telling you that there's a possibility that price might want to reverse. The truth of the matter is price might not even want to reverse there. It might be just a serious pullback or a big pullback, which after which price could still continue in the downward direction. But in order to have a trading plan and stick to it, and to avoid a situation whereby price has moved significantly in your position, in your direction, and then instead of you taking profit, it then turns around, you feeling it's a big pullback, you don't want to exit, and then it turns out to be a full-blown reversal, and then it comes to take you out on stop loss. It doesn't make sense. You should have just taken your profits. So we need to avoid greed in the market. So once you see a candle like this, once you see, let me click on this. Once you see a candle around here, closing above the ZL SMA, you exit your sell position. So you would have caught the trade right from here to here, and this is a reasonable number of pips in between. Okay, so you would have made money with this particular move. So this is a very, very nice strategy. Okay, you keep seeing the signals coming in. The signals are coming in. Okay, this is a buy opportunity, but it's a small buy opportunity. Your SL is going to be somewhere under this place. Price came down and then pushed up again. Okay, this current price action. So if you enter the buy trade around here, you would still be holding this. Okay, unless you've been taken out by this swing to the downwards direction. Okay, so you need to give reasonable room for your what's it called, for your trade. Okay, it should be a few pips below the candle that gave you the signal. Okay, so you would have made money with this upwards move, and this could be just a pullback. Since you have not closed below the ZLSMA, you can still have opportunities to go in the upwards direction. Okay, so basically that's what I have for you today. If you got any value, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.